Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about powers of monomial. As we said before, what is the meaning of monomial? Monomial is an expression which is formed from only one term. In the previous lesson we talked about multiplying and dividing monomial. Suppose that we have a to the power m and we need to multiply it by a to the power n. Once we have here they have the same base, all what we have to do just we write the power. So we write the base without any change and we will add the power. But if we need to divide them, so all what we have to do just we will subtract the power. So we write the base and we will subtract the power. In the lesson of today we will talk about the power of monomial. Suppose that we have a power of the power, like a to the power m raised to the power n. Now we have a raised to the power m and all of the expression raised to the power n. So all what we have to do just we will multiply the powers. 5 raised to the power 2 and all of that raised to the power 3. So the answer now will be equals 5 to the power 2 times 3. Once we have here a power of the power, so we just multiply them. So the answer now will be equals 5 to the power 6. And we have also the distributive property for the power. A times b to the power m. So we'll distribute a to the power m times b to the power m. Suppose that we have 6x power 2 all to the power 3. By using distributive property, so we have 6 to the power 3 times x power 2 power 3, which equals 6 power 3 equal to 160. X power 2 power 3, we said we have power of the power, so we'll multiply them. So it will be x raised to the power 6. You will find that if we need to simplify each expression, 8 to the power 4 to the power 3. Once we have the power of the power, so we'll multiply them. So the answer now will be equals 8 to the power 12. By the same in question number 2, k power 7 power 5. So we just write k and multiply the power, it will be equal to 35. Again in question number 3, 2 to the power 5 to the power 2. Just write the base and multiply the power, so it will be 2 to the power 10. W power 4 power 6. So we just write w and 4 times 6 equals to 24. Suppose that we have in question number 5, 3 power 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. Whatever the number of the power that we have, just write the base without any change. Now I will multiply the powers together. So 2 times 3 equals 6, times 2 equals to 12. 3 power 2 power 5, just write 3 and multiply them, so it will be 3 to the power 10. In question number 23 we have negative 2 m power 7 n power 6 all to the power 5. If you remember the distributive property of the power, we have a times b all to the power m. So all what we have to do, just a to the power m times b to the power m. We will follow the same. So it will be equals, just we write negative 2 to the power 5. m power 7 power 5, so m power 7 raised to the power 5. n power 6, it will be raised to the power 5. So it will be equals negative 2 to the power 5 equal to negative 32. m power 7 power 5, just write 7 and multiply the power. n power 6 power 5, just write n and multiply the power. By the same we have in question number 24. 8b to the power 9 all to the power 2. Just it will be 8 to the power 2 times b to the power 9 all to the power 2. So it will be 8 power 2 equal to 64. And we will write b. 9 times 2 equals 80. With the power of the power, we just multiply them. In 25, we have 6x to the power 5, y to the power 11, all to the power 4. So we just use the distributive property. 6 to the power 4. X power 5, all to the power 4. Y power 11, all to the power 4. So it will be equals 6 power 4 equal 1296. And write x. 5 times 4 equal to 20. Write y. 11 times 4 equal to 44. By the same way, we can solve question number 26. Negative 5 w to the power 2 c to the power 8 all to the power 3. So it will be equals negative 5 to the power 3 w to the power 2 all to the power 3 z power 8 all to the power 3. So it will be equals negative 5 to the power 3 equal negative 125. Just we write w, and 2 times 3 equals 6. Z, 8 times 3 equals 224. In this problem, we need to find the value of x. 7 to the power x to the power 3 equals to 7 to the power 15. Once we have power of the power, it means we need to multiply them. So x times 3 equals to 3x. 3x is equals to 15. By dividing by 3, you will find that x is equals to 5. By solving the equation, because we have multiplication, so we'll use the inverse operation, which is division. By the same way, negative 2, m power 3, n power 4 to the power x. To solve this problem, we'll use the distributive property. So we have negative 2 to the power x times m power 3 power x, which is m power 3x, n power 4 power x, which is n power 4x. All of that will be equals negative 8 m power 9 n power 12. We can use any one of the numbers. Suppose that I will choose m. M power 3x equals to m power 9. The base equal to the base, it means 3x is equal to 9. By dividing by 3, you will find that x is equal to 3. You can check the answer. And instead of x, just replace it with 3. 4 times 3 equals to 12. And the negative 2 to the power 3 equals to negative 8. And that's how can we find the value of the variable in exponents.